Amongst all the features of IntractERP, inventory is one of the features that allows you to maintain the data regarding the inventories that you hold in your institution. It allows you to record, order, generate GRN, payment, etc. Go to the inventory setting on the left hand side and click on Inventory Dashboard. Inventory Dashboard will give you an overview of all the items in the stock, purchase orders, number of suppliers, the number of GRNs that you have created. It will also show you the stores that you have already created for the institution. If you want to add a new store, click on the Add Store button and then fill in the details. Do not forget to give it a code. Fill in an invoice prefix. Select the store type and then select a store category and then click on Submit. A new store will be created. This will show you the details of the store and you can add an item in the store. If you want to add an item in the store, click on Add an Item in the Store button and select the and fill in the details for the item. Do not forget to fill in the quantity. And then click on Submit. After you click on Submit, it will show you the details of the item that you have created. Now, if you want to place an order for the particular item, click on the Create Purchase Order button and place an order for a particular quantity. Then lastly, click on Submit. This will create a purchase order for the particular item. Whenever we want to place an order for a particular item, we create a purchase order. Whenever we want to restock or buy a new item, we create purchase order for the particular item. You can see all the purchase orders that has been created under the purchase order option under the inventory feature. You can also see the status of these orders if they are issued or they are pending. If you see issued in front of a purchase order, it means that the order has been received at your end and you have created a GRN for a particular order. You can see the pending purchase orders on the inventory dashboard under the pending purchase orders option. Whenever you receive an order and you make a payment, you create a GRN. If you want to create a GRN, click on the purchase order and then click on Generate GRN button. Fill in the payment mode. Select the debit account. Do not forget to write in the invoice number and then click on Submit. This is how you can create a GRN for the particular product when you receive the GRN. If you click on GRN details button, it will show you the details, that is the invoice number, GRN created, date, other charges and the batch number as well. If you want to delete a GRN, click on the delete button here on the top right corner and the order will be sent back under the pending purchase orders. Whenever you create a GRN for a particular order, it will add on the stack of the particular item in the inventory. You can see that under the total items in stock on the inventory dashboard. If you click on it, it will show you the total number of items in the stock and the last date they were stocked on. You can also see the different suppliers of the institution under the suppliers option of the inventory feature. You can add a new supplier from here by clicking on the add supplier button and filling in the details for the particular supplier. This is all about the inventory feature of IntractERP. Thank you.